CCS is a set of tools that supports the building industry through all the phases of the construction project, from the client brief phase to the building's operational use. In this video, we look closely at CCS measurement rules, which aim to provide a basis for estimating and exchanging quantities during the various phases of a construction project. Specifically in the tender phase, when quantities often play a crucial role. The architect firm WW made use of these rules to create certainty in regard to the quantities during the tender process for the project Katrinedale School. During the project, all the building elements were encoded with CCS classification and identification codes. This in turn went a long way towards creating a uniqueness through all project documents. One can see from this light inner wall example the methodology used by WW. The wall can be seen here and has the classification code AD and the type identification 501. CCS measurement rules provide measurement methods for a range of specific building elements so one can quickly identify the current building element and simultaneously calculate quantities where one measures to and from. One finds the measurement rule best suited to the building element either via the name, wall assembly, light walls, or by using the CCS classification code, which can be found in the measurement rule number. The measurement rules have therefore a clear connection to other CCS tools, but can also be used alone or with other classification systems, without requiring additional work. From this building element example, one can now see which methods can be used when measuring a wall, as well as which method is used in relation to the quantity statement for walls, in this case, the area. Additionally, we can see that for the calculation of the area to be correct, the measurement should be taken in the center of the building element, and all holes should be deducted. In order to increase the precision, the measurement rules also include a number of principal details of typical assembly examples, where the exact measurement points of the actual building element is specified. For example, here it is specified that one measures to the bottom of the wall, regardless of whether the floor is adjacent to the walls or goes under the wall. When using these methods and details, WW could thoroughly go through the model and verify that it was built just as the measurement rules specified and that therefore the amounts were correct. This led to the fact that a number of errors and inaccuracies could quickly be identified, and at the same time, the model was quality assured and harmonized. Now the tallied quantities could be extracted from the building modeling software, and being consistent with the measurement rules, they could be transferred to the bill of quantities. CCS codes and CCS measurement rules thereby help to create coherence and uniqueness of the material, which was not only for the benefit of the consultants, but also for the bidders, who could quickly, by the use of the codes, find links through the material and could quickly familiarize themselves with how the consultant had arrived at the estimated amounts. Finally, CCS also gives the users the possibility to create project-specific measurement rules. This was again used here in the WW example, where there was a need to specify some larger custom-made deliverables, which were calculated in separately. Start with a standard for measuring, rather than having to start over each time. Use CCS measurement rules to clearly define how the building elements are measured and what type of quantities are to be specified. CCS measurement rules can be adapted to your specific project and include unique building elements that are particular to that project. See more on CCS tools and experience with START projects in our other videos on bips.dk.